Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I am going to show you how to check hidden messages in Messenger. So let's get started. First open your Messenger app. Now tap on three-dot menu. Here you can find a message request option. Tap on it. Here you can find your all message requests. Here another option called them. Now tap on it. Here you can also find some messages. Now go back. Now here you can see an option called archive. Here you can find some messages that you archive once a time. Now go back. Now click on settings. Now scroll down. Here you can find a privacy and safety option. Now tap on it. Here you can see an option called hidden contacts. Now tap on it. Here you can find some chats that you hide once a time. Now go back. Scroll down. Here you can find the option called restriction account. Tap on it. Here you can find some chats that you restricted once a time. By this way you can find your all hidden messages in Messenger. So if this video helped you, please subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you.